Well, good morning, everybody. This is Brad Buckner, sharpestbest.com, down on the Gold Coast on the Atlantic side of Florida. And I'm probably about 30 miles north of Daytona. Just had breakfast. Beautiful morning. Watched the sunrise. That you'll see that on the video YouTube channel. So anyway, just thought I'd come down and look at the seashells and stuff and take a walk and see what I see on the beach. And we'll show you some seashells here first before I take off and go anywhere else. This is Brad, brought to you by Sharpens Best at sharpensbest.com. Go to sharpensbest.com, take a look at the products, see something you like, buy it. We'll ship it to you. This is Brad. They do seem to wash up in piles. They congregate. Little itty bitty clam shells. Have a great day.